Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The molecule shown is CH2 is equal to CHCH, CH3, CH2, CHO. It contains a terminal aldehyde group, CHO, a methyl branch, and a terminal alkene, vinyl group. Moving on to the next step. Identify the principal characteristic group. The aldehyde, CHO, is the principal characteristic group and gets the lowest possible locant. In IUPAC nomenclature, the carbon of the aldehyde is C1. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain. The longest chain that includes both the aldehyde carbon and the double bond. C1, CHO, C2, H2, C3, H, CH3, C4, H is equal to C5, H2. So, CHO is C1, CH2 is C2, CH, CH3 is C3, CH is equal to is C4 is equal to CH2 is C5. And for the final step, name the compound. The parent chain has 5 carbons pentanol, since CHO is at C1 suffix is al. The double bond is between C4 and C5 pent 4 enal. The methyl branch is at C3 3 methylpent 4 enal. A 3 methylpent 1 N 4 al. This would imply the double bond is at C1 and the aldehyde is at C4, which is incorrect numbering since aldehyde must be C1. B 3 methylpent 4 enal. Correct, aldehyde at C1 double bond at C4, C5 methyl at C3. C 3 methylpent 4 carbaldehyde. Carbaldehyde suffix is used when the CHO carbon is not part of the main chain. Example, cyclopentane carbaldehyde, incorrect here. D 3 methyl 5 oxopent 1 Na. This names the aldehyde as OXO substituent and numbers from the alkene end, which is incorrect since aldehyde has higher priority. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.